Welcome to Dad's DeFi Spaces. I'm Kevin, and this is your home of crypto and DeFi market news, analysis, and of course, education. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of research tools when we're looking into Bitcoin, cryptos, and liquidity pools and lending protocols. Without good knowledge, we can't make good decisions as investors. So having a wealth of knowledge and a lot of tools to bring yourself good information about these markets are extremely important in a market as volatile and that changes as quickly as the cryptocurrency market. Today, we're going to specifically look at the Fear and Greed Index, and then we're also going to look at the Altcoin Index and why these metrics are important to look at. Before we do that, though, I'd like to look at price action of Bitcoin and the total 3 market cap. The total 3 market cap is basically all your cryptocurrencies minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's get to it. Let's take just a little bit of time to look at some charts before we start today. This is the Bitcoin Tether USDT chart. We're looking at the moving averages and the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI, we had a blue cross back on June 24th, and since then, on the daily, we've been back and forth, but now we've finally turned all the way green, and as you can see, our momentum is up. And I got a feeling we're going to keep going up. If we look at our Bollinger Bands, you can see that we bounced and wicked way below the bottom band, and we're right wicking up to the neutral now. There may be a little bit of decline on the daily, but I expect us to kind of make our way up to the upper region of the Bollinger Bands as long as the stochastic RSI blue stays above the orange. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. The current Bitcoin price is $62,869. And let's take a quick look at the weekly. And you can still see we are right in the neutral range on the Bollinger Bands. And we actually are probably pretty soon going to have a stochastic RSI blue cross. So we need to keep an eye on this just to see, do we get a rejection? Does the blue start heading back down and we don't get that cross over the orange? But it's just something to keep an eye on. I'm actually watching this chart a lot more than I'm watching the daily chart right now. Let's take a quick look at the altcoin index, or the total 3, because 2 of the things I wanted to discuss today are the altcoin season index and the Fear and Greed Index. This is the total cryptocurrency market cap, which is basically all your cryptos in the market minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're looking at the weekly chart, and we are below the moving averages, sitting just under, right above $600 billion right now. At the bottom of the bear market, we were about at $3 billion, and our big kind of like altcoin run rally at the back end last bull market cycle, we got at the peak about $1.14 trillion. So we got a lot of room to go, and on our altcoins, as you can see. Let's take a look at the daily. And we are below our moving averages right now, so this is not looking pretty, and this has been the altcoins bleeding out pretty much since early June. I'm hurting just as much as you're hurting because I am a little over around 40% Bitcoin, probably 15% Ethereum, give or take. Everything else is altcoins, and they are not looking pretty right now, no doubt. Anyway, for today, I wanted to take a look at a couple indicators that I look at to just kind of help with general research. This is good research whether you are getting into liquidity pools or you're just involved in buying spot cryptos. The first one is the Altcoin Season Index. I look at it off the Blockchain Center. I'll provide links in the description below. Okay. Right now, the Altcoin Season Index on July 1st, 2024 is 24. This is a lot closer to Bitcoin season than it is to altcoin season. So go figure. Why do you think it's been bleeding so much? So this is a good indicator just to check every so often to get an idea. Is Bitcoin where it's hot, or is altcoins where it's going to be hot? Right now, obviously, you should probably be staying away from a lot of micro caps unless you're a gambling man, and probably allocating money more into high conviction plays, large cap cryptos, Bitcoin, and things of that nature. The other kind of research tool that I love to use is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Now, you got to be careful using this one because the crypto market can go into fear and greed for extremely long periods of time, months, even years. Right now, we're at 53, which technically is in greed, but pretty much right around neutral. Yesterday, we were in fear at 47, and last week, we were actually as low as 30. Now, I know a lot of people who kept it really simple. And when they're in the bear market, they're buying their dollar cost averaging into their high conviction plays. As we're moving into the bull market, they buy on fear, they're selling a little bit on greed. But you have to be careful when once the market gets too hot, because the crypto market can stay into greed for extremely long periods of time. Extremely long periods of time. And it's something that I just wanted to make you aware of in your crypto journey as an investment tool. I'm pulling the Fear and Greed Index off CoinStats, but you can do this on CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko. Both those are also excellent sites for research. That's where I pull a lot of prices and historical cryptocurrency data. I'm going to be making some other videos to get into some other tools a little bit later, but I hope this has been informative. And until the next time, see you guys later. Peace.